Welcome to MySci Unit 22, Using Our Resources Wisely. This is a 5th grade Earth Science unit where students explore Earth systems, how they interconnect, and how humans' use of natural resources impacts Earth systems. Let's take a look into the unit at a glance. This unit covers 3 5th grade Earth Science standards about Earth systems, the amount of salt and fresh water on Earth, and ways human communities use science to protect Earth's resources. 3 engineering standards are covered as students define, design, and test a solution to a problem based on human use of natural resources. 1 4th grade Earth Science standard is partially covered on how energy and fuels are derived from natural resources and how using them affects the environment. Most of the next generation science standards correspond to a Missouri Learning Standard listed in parentheses on this chart. We have integrated all dimensions of these standards into the unit. If you'd like, take a moment to pause the video and review them. This unit is divided into 3 sections. Each section has a driving question designed to reflect what we anticipate students would naturally ask through the learning process. In this unit, one anchoring phenomenon applies to all 3 sections. Section 1 has 3 lessons, and sections 2 and 3 each have 2. The unit will take about 31 days to complete. The anchoring phenomenon is, communities use resources to meet their needs, and this can be harmful to Earth systems. This theme connects to student awareness of pollution they might observe in their daily life, such as waste, air pollution, or water pollution. To be introduced to the anchoring phenomenon, students will make observations about Earth systems and how humans use and affect them. The driving question of Section 1 is, how is our community a part of Earth systems? Students will go on a nature walk to identify and organize natural parts of the environment and sort their observations into the different Earth systems. Students will develop models to investigate how Earth systems interact with each other and then explore the distribution of salt versus fresh water on our planet. Throughout Section 1, students will create and continue to update a community model that includes Earth systems and how they interact. Through the storyline of Section 1, students gain an understanding of these standards-based big ideas. Earth systems can be classified into 4 spheres: the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, the geosphere, and the biosphere. Different Earth systems interact. The interaction of one Earth system can affect the function of another Earth system. Most of Earth's available water is salt water located in oceans. Most fresh water is in glaciers or underground. A tiny fraction is located on Earth's surface as liquid water and also found in the atmosphere, biosphere, and geosphere. Combined, introducing the anchoring phenomenon and Section 1 should take about 10 to 13 days to complete. Section 2 engages students with the driving question of how does our community's use of Earth's resources affect Earth systems? Students consider a day in their life and how various things they do connect to Earth systems and resources. Then, they participate in a card sort to identify cause and effect relationships regarding how human activities impact Earth systems. Students update their community models to include ways their communities use natural resources and the effects of using resources on Earth systems. Through the storyline of Section 2, students gain an understanding of these standards-based big ideas. Humans use many resources for energy. These resources come from Earth systems. Some resources are renewable over time and others are not. Human activities in agriculture, industry, and everyday life can negatively affect Earth systems. Section 2 should take about 7 to 8 days to complete. In Section 3, students apply the concepts they've learned to examine the case of Samso Island and how the people there are using renewable energy for their needs while also protecting the environment. The driving question of Section 3 is, how can communities use resources wisely to protect Earth systems? Students become engineers to make a wind turbine that generates electricity and then develop a model of a sustainable community powered by renewable resources. Will you share pictures or videos of your student models with us? We would love to see them. Through the storyline of Section 3, students gain an understanding of these standards-based big ideas. Humans can make changes to how we use natural resources that have less harmful impacts on Earth systems. One way to do this is by using renewable resources such as wind, solar, water, and biofuel for energy. Wind turbines can be used to harness energy from the wind and transfer it to energy that can be used as a resource. People can use the engineering design cycle to develop and test solutions and make improvements to solutions using evidence and feedback from others. Section 3 should take about 9 to 10 days to complete. Our team here at MySci hopes you and your students enjoy using our resources wisely, and we look forward to your feedback. Happy MySciencing!